Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to delete a page template right in Shopify website. Right now we are into admin dashboard. We will simply click on this triple dot, edit code. Okay. Many time what happens is this, we try to create some templates in the page and we generally create a wrong template and we need to delete it. So here you need to find this template, right? So in the templates you will find the whatever the template you have created, right? You just need to click on it, right click on it and simply click on delete. Okay, let me click on edit theme. Let me show you where this template has been created, right? When I click on the home page, let's go to the products page. Okay, so this is the template which I want to delete and I have created. So I will simply right click on this template and click on delete permanently and then click on delete. And in this manner you can simply delete the page template which you have created incorrectly or inappropriately, right? So if I refresh this page, okay, it's refreshing, right? And when we again click on home page and then product page, as you can see the template has been deleted. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.